Okay, tubers, it's like freezing cold out here. I'm totally Minnesotan. Got the shorts on, the shoes, t-shirt, tractorologist. I don't know if you can see that very well. But, I'm out of propane, so I'm using this little dinky electric heater. Because I ain't got no propane for my propane heater, which you can't even see with yeah, but it's right there. Ain't got much light. Need more lights in here. Yeah. See if I can find a light bulb, get one more light going. Here it is. I kind of stripped it down. I had an accident the other day and crushed my hand. My fingers were purple and everything. Flywheel, I was taking it off. It pinched my hand and I ended up dropping it on the floor. And let's see, where's the broken fin? Oh, it's right there. One of the fins broke. A little worried about a balancing issue, but I might just say forget it. I'm putting $150 into it, so yeah. In my next section, which is going to be kind of a how-to section, I haven't done a how-to in a while, but I'm going to show you how to diagnose piston slap. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But for now, I'm going to see if I can't round up some light bulbs and some more lights. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hey, Molly. Meow. Yeah, so wheel weight smells good, doesn't it? Old-fashioned cast iron. There's Molly. I'm pretty sure you guys haven't met her. She's my kitten. She's about a year old. But this is actually the segment. I got a light there and a light here now. But this is the segment on diagnosing piston slap. Piston slap is really annoying, I tell you what. If your piston moves around inside the bore, like there's that gap there, that's way too much gap anyway right there. My camera won't focus for snot. But, okay. But, if your piston also likes to turn sideways, that's a problem too. So right now I gotta take this thing and get it bored out 0.02 over. Yeah. New piston, new rings. It's gonna cost me $120 for the piston and rings. And it's going to cost me about $50 to have it bored. Found a really cool guy that I hope he does good work. I've read some reviews that say no, he doesn't, but I think I'm gonna go with him. See how he does. Sounds like a cool guy. So we'll see how that goes. If it goes well, he's going to have a good review from me on YouTube. If it doesn't go well, he's going to be getting some nasty reviews from me. And I'll be making sure it gets all over the web. But here it is. It's as you can see, that gap there is like huge. No, I don't have my keys with me, but I had a screwdriver. If you can stick a screwdriver between the bore and the piston, it's too big. And this is a big ass screwdriver. Look at that monster screwdriver. I gotta pull the camera all the way up by my chin. It's a big one. But yeah, you can stick that between there. It's too big. I don't think you should have very much between the piston and the bore. So yeah, I'll just let you know that. But another thing. Sounds like it's knocking. And holy crap, look at that. That gap is getting monster down there. I'd say it's more than 1/8 of an inch of gap there. And there's still gap on that. You can't see for smell. What the hell am I saying here? Okay, yeah, there you can see it a little bit better. There's some gap over there. But there's like a monster gap there. You can see the piston ring. It's so big. So you shove the screwdriver back there and put it up against you. That's a big old gap. Stick your cast claw through that one. Ain't that right, Molly? Molly? Nah, she ain't talking. She wants to go outside. We don't let her outside. So, yeah. So you got that there. A big old gap. Come back up. Oh, it gets a little smaller. Oh, well, that don't help none. But you get it down here. I don't know. We'll see if I can get you to hear it. That's me pushing down on each side of it. That is the piston skirt hitting the bore. Now you tell me, YouTubers, do you think that's good? No, that's not good. So there's kind of my tutorial on diagnosing piston slap and my other BS. Thanks for watching. I'm going to upload this right now. And yeah, I'm going to let it warm up in here a little more. It's cold, I can see my breath. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you like it. If you don't, then don't do anything, just get lost. You know, that's kind of how it goes. So, yep, see ya.